Hi, this is Rick Sovitzky from Chortek. This video is about using JobBoss2 and QuickBooks Online together. Why am I making this video? I found there weren't a lot of great resources on the internet that explain how these two systems work together, and so I'm making this overview. Hopefully you'll find this helpful. First question is, why bother? Why bother using JobBoss2 with QuickBooks Online? The main answer is that JobBoss2 is a great manufacturing application. It's not the strongest in accounting. If you use the two together, they're designed to work together, you basically get the best of both worlds. Strong manufacturing with very robust accounting. And on top of it, QuickBooks Online is always expanding, and there's additional add-ons and tools that work with it to further extend it and make it a very modern system. Bill.com we can use to automate the payables process with approvals and electronic disbursements. Fathom is a tool we can use to help really measure key performance indicators in the business and do dynamic forecasting and other tools. And so these are great examples of how suddenly adding QuickBooks Online means more than just adding QuickBooks Online and really help manage the business. Finally, it's a lot easier to outsource portions of or your whole accounting function to firms like Chortek. It's what we do when QuickBooks Online is part of your overall system. If you make the transition, there's some important considerations. Conversion of general ledger history, customers, vendors, and invoices. Those are all detail matters that need to be planned out and thought through. There's also process changes. This simple diagram is kind of depicting the fact that when QuickBooks Online is used with JobBoss, things flow from JobBoss to QuickBooks Online. Some parts of the process are the same as they have been, but others actually change and stop getting done in JobBoss and instead get done only in QuickBooks Online. So that's just an example of some of the process changes. We'll be making a few more videos that explain a few additional details, but feel free to reach out. We'd love to talk to you. We help other customers use these two systems together. And we also handle outsourced accounting and even advisory CFO services for our manufacturing customers. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks a lot.